Hey guys, so what I want to try and do today is show you a quick and easy fire starter method using white birch bark. Okay, white birch, as you can see right here, it's easy to identify. It's very white. Not many trees that look like it. And it comes off in good strips, as you can see. It's comes off in a powder strips. Now the cool thing about white birch is that it has its own natural oils in it that work as an accelerant when it comes to starting fires. So all you got to do basically is scrape right down in here and see. Start scraping, and as I'm scraping, you'll see the flakes start coming up here. Now you see how fine it can get. All right, what you're trying to do is break up enough to get you a good fire starter going. Okay, so this stuff will start turning paper like the more you break it down. As you see, it's very fine, and it's full of those, like I said, those natural oils that work as an accelerant when you put a spark to it. So this is all you're going to do. Okay, so I'm going to gather up a bunch of this on this strip right here. I'm going to strip it down, and then we'll throw a spark to it using my magnesium fire starter. But we won't use any magnesium. We won't need to. It's got a fill rod on the other side. So yeah, so give me just a second. I'll get the rest of this scraped up, show you what it looked like, and then we'll put a spark to it. See if we can get her lit. Okay, so as you can see, I got a nice pile going here, and I got extra bark off the other piece that I had right here. Now to get this extra stuff off, just bend it, break your bark like that, and then these strips are like paper. They come off layer by layer. And like I said, it is got those natural oils. All this is going to burn real good, and it'll get your fire started right away. White birch is my go-to for fire starter. So anyways, down to it. So you take your striker, put it right into the pile. And there you go, just like that. You can hear it burn. Like it's that fast. It's that fast about it. It's how easy it is with white birch. White birch. If you're ever around it and you need a fire, grab white birch. It's the easiest thing to use. Look how fast it burns. And white birch burns very hot, so if you can take down a whole tree, strip the bark, use that as fire starter, and then start making your firewood out of that birch tree, because it burns very hot, and if you're cold, it's a great thing to burn. Okay, so there you go. White birch is a fire starter.